How do native people talk about their past habits? Do you know the answer? In this video, we are going to talk about past habits and the grammar for this reason. So, hi everyone, welcome to English Sprint. Actually, if you want to talk about past habit, okay, something you did actually often in the past, but now you don't do it. Okay, so or you don't do it anymore. So we use the grammar used to, okay, or used to. All right, so let's see the structure. The structure is this: subject plus used to plus base form of the verb. All right, so look at these examples. For example, I used to play basketball. I say I used to play basketball. It means in the past I played basketball, okay, often, and now I don't play basketball anymore. And the second one says she used to eat fast food. Yeah, in the past again. And they used to buy expensive gifts. For example, for every vacation and every occasions actually, and every wedding party and other parties, okay, they used to buy expensive gifts, all right, and he used to wake up early in the morning. Yeah, in the past, he used to wake up early, for example, in 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., but now he doesn't, okay? And there is an important point here. So it talks about the past all the time. So whenever you use the grammar used to, okay, so you are talking about past, not now and not future. Okay, so the question form is a bit different. So you use the question form like the simple past, the question form, right? So, like, what did you used to do when you were a child? So, did you used to like the past simple form of questions? Okay, so, and attention here, this is the important point here. Okay, so you need to know this because it is too important. So, in questions, we remove the. Okay, so for example, I say, did you used to drink tea every morning? So look at used to, I removed the. So, and because we have did, the did auxiliary verb of simple past talks about the past form. So used to is talking about past too. So we need to remove the d or ed actually from the word used to. Okay, so we say, did you used to drink tea every morning? Or sometimes you can hear that some people, native people, say, did you? Did you used to drink tea every morning? So, alright, guys, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. And please support us. And thank you for watching, guys. And have a nice day and goodbye.